What's going on, people of Earth? You know, I started out to make a video about me making these hamburgers today. It is Memorial Day, and we have to give thanks for those people that went out there and fought for us and died for us, and keep them in our memories because it's a special day for the families that don't have those people. You know, some of us have never done anything in our lives, and these folks fought for us so that we can have, the rights that we have right now. So, on this special Memorial Day, we're going to do some hamburgers, which they're not really going to be hamburgers. They're going to be like hamburger turkey burgers. And again, I started not to make a video, but I wanted to show this different little twist on it. All righty, we're going to start off with about a pound of ground turkey. That's all natural butterball ground turkey. I'm going to start off with some ground beef. That's about 80% lean and 20% fat. These are some jalapeno peppers that came out of my garden last year. I froze them, put them in freezer. We got some garlic, whole garlic. We got some minced onion, some basil, some dill weed, some mustard powder, some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, and we're going to have a little bit of curry powder in it. Now, as far as the distribution of spices, it's all what you like, guys. Now, I've got about a heaping tablespoon of dill weed. I got a heaping tablespoon of the onion. I've got about a half of a tablespoon of the mustard powder. I've got about a half of a tablespoon of the basil. I've got just about a teaspoon or a fourth of a tablespoon of the cumin, and then I've got about just a little bit under a tablespoon of the Tony Chachere's. Now, I like garlic. Some people may not like garlic, so you don't have to include this in your recipe. I put about 10 garlic cloves, and we've got about, we got a couple of tablespoons or maybe 3 tablespoons of the jalapeno peppers. And again, if you don't like jalapeno peppers, you don't have to use jalapeno peppers. We're just going to take those and grind them up a little bit. About 10 good little swings here. Which that was probably more than 10. Okay, now we're going to add that to our mixture. And we've already mixed up our turkey and our hamburger, our ground beef. Just going to add that to it. Make sure you get it all in there. And then we're going to mix it up some more. I just did it by hand, guys. You know, if you don't like touching it, you can take by hand, you can use a smaller bowl with a, if you're doing it by a spoon, you probably need a bigger bowl because it'll go everywhere. We're going to add our spices here, try to distribute them here. Now, I will do this by spoon. We're just going to take it and mix everything in there, get it all incorporated. It's going to be delicious. I'm about to sneeze because of this Tony Chachere's. So let's go on pause. All right, what I did is I made them into a rectangle, and I forced up the rectangle, and now we got 4 whopping hamburgers now, or hamburger turkey burgers. Now those are big hamburgers. I really could have done half of each one of those, because if you look at the caloric count of these, if you're really counting your calories, each one of those patties is probably 500 calories per hamburger. So, but it's a healthy burger for the most part. It's just a big butt burger. Alrighty, this is going to be the best way to cook these burgers right here, is right here on the grill. Got our little chimney and our little fake charcoal starter things down there. And don't start fussing at me about cooking stuff over charcoal and getting cancer from the smoke. Come on now. Alrighty, we got some hamburgers on the grill and got some hot dogs on the grill. We're going to let those cook until they're done. All right, we let that go about 8 minutes. Let's see what they look like. Oh yeah, got a little burn on the hot dog. That's not quite right yet, I can tell. That's not quite right. Looks okay. We're gonna go ahead and flip them. Oops. You may have to increase that heat up a little bit. Alrighty, here are the finished products, guys. They're at the right temperature. Some of them cook better than the other ones. You got to have burnt hot dogs. My wife likes to have them burned. So some of them are burnt, some of them are normal. These are beef hot dogs right here. Alrighty, dinner is served. It's a basic meal, y'all. It's nothing special. We don't have any greens or anything to go with it, but just a hamburger, a turkey hamburger, some hash browns, and some hot dogs. I've got separate videos on the hash browns and the hamburgers here. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you guys later.